Hey roses, today it's gonna be an easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. It's just gonna be an easy video for today. I'm just basically doing a length check because I've been taking the Main Choice vitamin pills and I just finished my first bottle. Not my first bottle ever, but just my first bottle that I started for my hair journey. And I took video of that, I just never uploaded it. I didn't really give it the best lighting. I'm just like doing it just to do it and I ain't like it. I'm gonna add like a little clips just so you can see the difference. I got the Main Choice pills as I said in my previous slut box video, and I really do want to document it. I've been taking them for 3 days now. I took them before, I love them. Taking them now, I'm loving them more. And I'm not breaking out or anything, not that you can see with the makeup on. Just came from a school event, so I'm gonna just show you the link now. So from the back of my head, it's about here. It's always been. And my goal right now is like just to get my hair curly in its natural state on my shoulders. So that means it's probably gonna be like hair straightened, but my goal is just to get it on my shoulders. And then my front of my hair, my bangs, which grew out drastically, is right here on my chin. Same thing for the side. And I trim my hair. Not the best way I could have trimmed it, but I trimmed it. And this size, well, it's kind of longer. Alright, so this size here. Okay, so that was the before when I just started taking it. Like that was like the first day, I think. I was taking it for like 3 days. But that was the before my length. So we're gonna just length check. Before we length check, my bad. These are the actual vitamins. So this is a new bottle. And this is the last one. I mean, this is the first month. And there's 2 left. So there's 2 left. So I'm gonna take these 2. This is gonna be the start of the second month. And for me personally, taking pills is not as hard. Like I believe, like, you know, some people, you know, taking pills is very hard for them. These pills, you can actually break them and like pour them in water if you can't really swallow pills, if that's the case. And I think they came out with like a drink supplement they can pour into water, and it's just like, I'm gonna try it, but it's just as great as the pill. Still take the pill though. And I actually found out about these pills like I think 3 years ago, and it actually helped me get it to the length it was before. And I started taking them, and I started taking care of my hair, and then I just got bored. It was just a lot, but I came back to it because this is something I always loved. You know, they had biotin in it. It had vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D3, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, phylloxyl acid, biotin, panurethric acid, calcium, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, and just and a property blend. So these are really good. You're supposed to take 2 of them a day. So you can take 1 in the afternoon, one in the morning, 1 at night, or you could take both of them at the same time, like I do at the same exact time every day. Okay, I really do love these pills. This is not sponsored. You know, I wish they would acknowledge me. I be trying to email them. They don't acknowledge me yet. No, it's okay. It's okay. But I do love Main Choice. I do love them green tea masks. I love everything. You know, I'm trying to get a whole bundle because I feel like my hair is in love with it. That being said, my hair actually, I think in the last video, it was like here, stretched it to here. So let's see, like, and then like my hair on my neck. I'm gonna put some of the videos so you guys can see it, maybe side by side. I don't know. I'm gonna work it, but I'm gonna try to. And so like basically. So it's right on top of my boob, like right there, like I feel it right here on my kitty. This side's like a little bit, it's a little bit. This one actually on this side is here. So it did grow. So this one's on top of my bra, like that curve is right there on top of my bra. And this one's right on top of my boob with this side. That's good. That means it grew. It did. It actually grew in that month. I didn't even expect to really see it. I got a whole bunch of growth this 1 month. Like, my hair not gonna be here. Like, ain't gonna be here. Not yet. See the front? The front, I think it came like to here. So let's see. Oh. Okay. It's on my neck. I have no bangs no more. I don't have bangs no more. I am delivered. So I definitely don't have bangs anymore. Those days are far. Yup, it's right on my neck now. Right on my neck. And I kind of seen that because when I've been doing my hair and, you know, my hair shrinks a lot. It's just been like in my face like this most of the time now, and I'm just like, why aren't you shrinking? But it's because it grew. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, I'm really trying to go through with this natural hair journey. I'm trying to grow out my hair. I'm trying to actually get my hair on here curly. Like, I wanted to be on my shoulders, like on my chest curly. I don't really care about the aspect of it being straightened because I haven't straightened my hair in 3 years actually. I am, however, going to straighten my hair during this December just to do like a big length check and trim and just make sure my hair is overall healthy, because I did start taking care of my hair for a while. I like kind of just disregarded it like it was nothing, and that's like horrible. But it is growing. I've been deep conditioning. I've been oiling it. I'm just trying to keep it more healthy and take more care of it, and as well as myself. And I'm really proud. You know, I haven't been sleeping with a bonnet, and I had brought the Main Choice bonnet, but the Main Choice bonnet is too tight for my big ass head. Lord, when I'm sleeping, I just can't. I'm gonna have to buy another bonnet, or I'm probably gonna have to cut the Main Choice, and I'm like, don't want to do it. But it's like, it's so tight on my head, and like I just can't. I can't do it. I can't live with it. I can't bite it. I can't love it. I can't do it. I love it though, but I can't do it. Alright guys, I think that's about it. So I'm gonna be doing another length check next month. So I'm gonna be starting these tomorrow, you know, just so you know that, you know, this is new. Freshly open. I'm gonna open. I'm gonna have this one tomorrow. Just so you know, this is new. This ain't an empty bottle. I'm dead serious about this. Oh yeah, and for all you trying to think, yeah, this is how the pill looks itself. All of the vitamins in the middle. This is how it looks. Thank you, roses. I'll talk to you guys later. And hopefully you guys go on this hair journey with me. I would love to see you guys just grow and learn and, you know, take care. And I don't know what this channel is all about yet. I am pretty random myself, so I can't promise anything. I'm just a random person. So, you know, hair videos, unboxing, talking, chatting. That's just what I want to do here. This is a free space. Free thinker. Open-mindedness. Alright. Now that all that random stuff is out, for real, I got to go. So I see you guys later. Until next time, roses. See you.